and Endangered Persons Alert from the Kentucky State Police in conjunction with local law enforcement agencies. A missing and endangered persons alert has been issued for Logan County, Western Simpson County, and Eastern Todd County. The Kentucky State Police, alongside local sheriff offices, are looking for a missing person who was last seen at the Walmart Supercenter on 120 Sam Walton Drive, Russellville. He is believed to be in danger. The person's name is Michael Hernandez. He is a 19-year-old Hispanic male who has black hair and brown eyes. He is 5 feet 10 inches tall and weighs 180 pounds. He was last seen on the Walmart security camera with a North Face branded blue windbreaker jacket with black jeans and white shoes. If you have any information regarding this individual, please call 911 immediately or your respective law enforcement tip line number.